The psychology of money, why we make bad financial decisions. Ever wonder why, despite our best intentions, we often make financial choices that leave us scratching our heads in regret? It's not just about numbers, it's about the intricate dance between our minds and money. Today, let's unravel the psychology behind our financial missteps and discover how to steer towards better decisions. Our brains are wired with shortcuts known as cognitive biases that can lead us astray. Imagine you're offered $100 today or $110 if you wait a week. Many would grab the $100 now, a classic example of present bias, our tendency to favor immediate rewards over greater future gains. Then there's the sunk cost fallacy. Ever held on to a bad investment because you've already poured money into it? This bias traps us into throwing good money after bad simply because we can't let go of past losses. Our emotions often have a louder voice in our spending habits than logic. Stress, joy, boredom, they all can trigger impulsive purchases. Retail therapy might lift our spirits momentarily, but it can lead to financial hangovers. Moreover, the fear of missing out, FOMO, pushes us into expenses we hadn't planned, just to keep up with peers or trends. Society sets invisible standards that pressure us into certain financial behaviors. The desire to match our peers can lead to unnecessary spending. This phenomenon, often referred to as social comparison, can drive individuals to make purchases they can't afford just to align with perceived societal norms. Believing we're immune to financial pitfalls can be our downfall. Overconfidence leads us to underestimate risks and overestimate our financial acumen, resulting in poor investment choices or inadequate savings. Recognizing these psychological traps is the first step to sidestepping them. Here are actionable strategies. 1. Increase self-awareness. Regularly reflect on your financial decisions and the emotions driving them. 2. Seek external advice. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide objective perspectives, helping to counteract personal biases. 3. Educate yourself. Understanding financial principles can empower you to make informed choices, reducing susceptibility to biases. Our financial journeys are deeply intertwined with our psychological landscapes. By shedding light on the unseen forces that influence our money choices, we pave the way for more conscious, informed, and rewarding financial decisions. If this exploration into the psychology of money resonated with you, subscribe for more insights. Together, let's navigate the path to financial well-being.